Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Spocket for US focused dropshipping supplier selection. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Spocket for US focused dropshipping supplier selection, begin by visiting the Spocket website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button to create a new account. Use your email address to register, or sign up with your existing Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate the Suppliers tab. Click on it to reveal the different supplier options available. Within the Suppliers section, you will see various filters. Look for the location filter and select United States. This will narrow down your supplier options to those focused on the US market. You can further refine your search using additional filters based on product type or price range. Browse through the list of available US suppliers. When you find a supplier that meets your needs, click on their profile for more details. Review their product offerings, shipping times, and pricing information. If you decide to work with a supplier, click the Add to Import List button. After adding products, go to your import list. From there, you can customize product details as needed. Once satisfied, click the Import to Store button to add those products to your online store. Confirm the import settings and complete the process. Now, your store is equipped with products from US-focused suppliers. You are ready to begin marketing and selling your newly sourced products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.